How to install Google Meet on your Android device. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So, if you want to download Google Meet on your device, what you're gonna do is, first of all, you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection in order to make the downloading process easy and fast. So, after you do that, go to Play Store, then go to Search, which is over here. Then in the top you can see Search Apps, tap on it. Then search Google Meet. Then it will show you Google Meet over here. Now tap on install. After you do that, wait for some time until the app is being installed. Now if you want to learn how to create an account on Google Meet, make sure you watch our next video where I'll be showing you how you can create an account on Google Meet. So this is how you can download Google Meet on your Android device. Thanks for watching the video till the end. Hope the video was helpful to you and see you in the next one.